the way through town and all the way back. I look round and round and I keep careful track. The next thing I spy is the Hop on Pop shop. Tots hopping on ice cream with cherries on top. As you can see, little fish. From there to here, from here to there, fantabulous things are everywhere. Just look at that red one. And look out below! It's the McGrew Zoo. Oh, what this zoo must be worth. It's the most wonderful zoo anywhere. Now we fly past two unbudging sacks, both stubbornly stuck unbudged in their tracks. Now keep sneeches, they are known to love beaches. That makes a story that no one can beat when we say that we saw it on Mulberry Street. But it still could be better. Did I ever tell you that Mrs. McCabe had 23 sons and she named them all Dave? Well, she did, and that wasn't a smart thing to do. You see, when she wanted one and calls out, "Yo, come into the house, Dave!" she doesn't get one. All 23 Daves of hers come on the run. Farewell to the Sneeches at the end of our fun.